Meghalaya's first ever Aqua Park was inaugurated on the 24th of March 2025 at Kleshnong by the German ambassador to India, Philip Ackermann. Highlighting the importance of biodiversity conservation, he praised the initiative for protecting the indigenous snakehead fish, locally known as Dothli. The Aqua Park, along with its visitor information center, aims to serve both as a tourist attraction and a research hub. The ambassador suggested collaborations with German institutions for further study on local biodiversity. Project details were presented by Patricia Dom and Kenneth Palla from GIZ, a German biodiversity agency. Several species of snakehead fish, including Channa pardalis, Channa stewarti, Channa gachua, and Channa punctata, were showcased in the park's aquarium. Informational displays and an aqua museum provide insights into their conservation. The initiative is expected to promote environmental awareness and sustainable practices in the region.
Marking an important milestone of our celebration. Okay, so please give them a big round of applause. Secretary of Meghalaya Biodiversity Board.
Afternoon, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. It is wonderful to be here again in Kleshnong, to walking down the stairs, and it, to be honest, was quite emotional, knowing the journey that this project took place to come into reality. And this project was really about both angles. One is the protection, but also the sustainable management. It is not only about to conserve fish species, but to support the community, so Kleshnong village, to also make a living and to find ways of how to sustainably manage an aquatic species. And I think this is really the unique point about this project, the NERAC project, that is focusing on two unique parts. One is the aquatic angle, which is usually not the case when we talk about conservation. We talk about megafauna, especially here in Northeast India, when we look to Kaziranga. So aquatic is really usually forgotten, and the other part is Northeast India. And merging these two is showcasing something extremely precious, and this is the biocultural diversity that we can find here. And I think this is very interesting because research shows where you have high biodiversity, you also have high cultural diversity. So I think you can be pretty proud.
Development, and we have a couple of other projects in the Northeast, forest projects, but also biodiversity projects with the government in the respective states. So I think we are relatively present in the beautiful Northeast of India. Thank you very much.
One last question, sir. During your course of your speech, you have mentioned that the involvement of the German university to do some kind of research in this.
So we feel that German universities could be good partners when it comes to biodiversity and also to fishery hatchings and getting livestock for fisheries. So we've thought that in the development of this project, maybe we'll have an opportunity to get more expertise from Germany, fisheries expertise to Meghalaya. I know that a very famous German fish expert has been here and has also written a little book which was handed out. So maybe that's a partnership we can evolve.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.